Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel, where we explore the diverse world of living organisms. Today we're excited to introduce you to wire vine, a fascinating plant with unique characteristics. Let's dive into the details. Wire vine is native to New Zealand and parts of Australia. It has a rich history, as it has been used by indigenous communities for various purposes, including weaving and medicinal applications. Wire vine is a vigorous trailing vine with delicate wiry stems and small rounded leaves. Its distinctive feature is its ability to form dense, tangled mats or cascading curtains of foliage. This evergreen plant adds a touch of whimsy and charm to gardens and hanging baskets. Wire vine thrives in a range of growing conditions. It prefers full sun to partial shade and well-draining soil. This versatile plant can tolerate a variety of soil types, including sandy or rocky soils. It is also remarkably drought tolerant, making it an excellent choice for xeriscaping or water-wise gardens. Wire vine is a versatile companion plant that can be grown alongside various species. Its cascading foliage provides an attractive backdrop and adds texture to mixed containers or hanging baskets. Additionally, its dense growth habit can help suppress weed growth in garden beds. Wire vine has several uses in gardening and landscaping. Its trailing habit makes it ideal for ground covers or as a cascading element in hanging baskets. It can be used to train to climb trellises or arbors, adding a unique visual element to vertical spaces. Additionally, the flexible stems of wire vine can be used for crafts or floral arrangements. And there you have it, an introduction to the captivating wire vine. Its wiry stems, dense foliage, and adaptability make it a versatile addition to any garden or landscape. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more fascinating plant profiles. Happy gardening!